unraveling server virtualization's storage problem, solving one issue paves way for another. This is a common scenario in the IT world. Similarly, when an organization adopts server virtualization to cut down their expenses on technology, administration, hardware, and other supplies, they often end up facing additional problems. One of them is overloading data storage infrastructure. According to Gartner, the global market is bidding, with many firms leveraging server virtualization, which has boosted the usage rate up to 75% as the utilization of the virtualization increases. The need of storage space is also proliferating. Many IT executives report that the money saved using the virtualization server is now spent on storage. How do you solve the storage issue associated with server virtualization? The traditional approach of adding another layer of server host to solve the issue may not be ideal. Server virtualization requires more flexible and shareable storage infrastructure infrastructure that can meet the demands of virtualization. The storage problem associated with server virtualization has triggered many enterprises to revamp their disaster recovery and data backup strategy because of the virtual machines sprawl. To overcome the data storage problem caused by server virtualization, organizations use three technologies, that is storage virtualization, then provisioning, and deduplication. Before getting into the solution, it is important to know how the issue arises. How does the storage issue occur? For instance, when an enterprise virtualizes more than 15 physical servers and executes all of them on big server, the storage system associated with the server fails to handle high workload and results in latency that further leads to bad performance and unhappy customers. It is the data concert that utilize